What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Claim from Firm400. So we're back to our vlogs regarding the Mazda Miata that we're trying to fix and build. And in this video, I wanted to give you guys insight on how to remove your rear taillight panel. As you can see right here, this is how our panel looks like. As you notice, there's not really much of that side as compared to here. But yes, these panels right here, the plastic that they've used to manufacture these panels, they're not that much, they're not all that great. So I mean, it's an old car, but over time, um, having the car being outside and in the sun, and having it being weathered over time, the material obviously crack and break. So this is the result of what happened to this side, as you can see right here. But in this video, I wanted to show you guys how to remove this rear taillight panel. Just on my end, seeing the rear of my car, it just bothered me seeing the panel all cracked, and just it just made me want to just replace it as soon as possible. So today during the evening, I decided to remove it, and I really couldn't film for you guys and do a video to show you visually how to remove it, but in this video I at least want to describe to you like a step-by-step process on how to remove it, and it's pretty easy. You're gonna have to remove your taillights first. There's 4 bolts inside. When you open up the trunk, there's gonna be 4 bolts that hold the taillight up, and you're gonna need a 10mm socket to remove it. So on the taillight, you're gonna remove the nuts that are holding that taillight in. Once you remove that, there's also on the bottom side right here of the panel. I don't want to flip this thing over because the plastic's already gonna be cracking, and I just want to leave it sitting there, but at least have this piece here to show you. So on that side, there's this other bolt that holds the panel in place, as you can see right here. You're gonna take the nut off of that, and then you can use a 10mm for that too. And then there's this other plastic washer type of bolt that holds the panel in place. So you're gonna use like a wrench to squeeze that tip right there, and then you're going to once you remove all the bolts, all the nuts, and that piece there with the wrench, you're going to remove, there's screws right here. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to remove that, and then obviously you're going to remove your license plate frame. So this is where the bolts are at. You can use the 10mm as well. And then there's a piece right here. It's like a circular plastic piece where once you remove everything, you're going to lift this whole panel up, and then you're going to pull out, and then you're going to be able to take out this whole rear taillight panel. So probably in another video, like I said, I could do once I get a replacement panel. I'm deciding to get one real soon, hopefully. If I could get a good deal, I'm gonna do a video to show you guys visually where to take the lights out and all that. But in this video, I at least just want to show you and explain to you. And if you do guys know anyone who's selling one or where I can get one for a good price, let me know. But I hope this video helps, and I will be seeing you soon in another video where we're going to be fixing the Miata. Hopefully I can get it to start soon. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon. Peace.